Hello friends, welcome to Notify Anywhere phone poll or phone survey. Today we will see how to run a phone survey to multiple recipients and collect their responses. It can also be used to count the attendance or record the responses. Let's see how to do that. Open your browser and type www.notifyanywhere.com and press enter. You will be taken to this home screen. If you have not already registered, register yourself here. If you have already registered, you can go directly to login and log in to Notify Anywhere account. You can also use Facebook login or Google login. Let's see how to register. You'll click on the register link and you will be taken to this page. Fill this simple form and press submit right at the bottom. So you'll identify yourself, individual, business, government or training institute. Depending on your selection, the menu options may change. Fill your address details, your contact information, your phone number and your phone code and your phone number, your email address, and then press submit. Once you press submit, you will receive an email from Notify Anywhere with your login details. Do check your junk or spam mail if you do not receive it in the inbox within few seconds. Use that login information to log in to Notify Anywhere. Once you log in, you will be taken to this page. This is your My Account page. From this page, you can go to Operations and click on Phone Survey. Once you click on Phone Survey, you will be taken to the Phone Survey page. Here, click on the Excel file tab. There are 4 tabs here. The first 2 are to run the phone surveys. The third one is to view the poll results and the fourth is the usage report. So click on the Excel file tab. Once you click on the Excel file tab, here it will ask you to upload the Excel file with the phone numbers of the recipients that you want this survey to be sent to. So let's see how to create an Excel file. So you'll open the Excel and you will type the first name, last name, and then the phone number of the recipient that you want this survey to be sent to. Prefix the phone code with the phone number. Again, the first name, last name, and then the phone number prefixed with the phone code. First name, last name, and then the phone code, phone number prefixed with the phone code 91. For example, save this file in your local machine. Once you save this file, come back to the Notify Anywhere survey phone poll operations page and in the Excel file tab. Choose this file. Once you choose this file, you can see the file name is listed here. Click submit file. Once you submit the file, it says file uploads is successful, and you can check the data by clicking on the view Excel data. Here you can see that all the 3 records have been added. You can make the change if you would like. Here you go. Now once you have made the change and once the file is uploaded and you are ready to go, click on the survey phone poll tab. Now in the survey phone poll tab, you can see there are different boxes. In these boxes, you have to fill your survey question, your options, the ending message, and the invalid choice message. We will quickly see how to do that. So in this survey question, you will type the survey question that you want to be played when the phone goes or the call is made to your recipient's phone. So I have already made some already typed some of the survey questions. So we'll just copy and paste it. The survey question would be very simple. There is a limit of 250 characters. we recommend that you always mention your name or your business name when you give the survey question. This is the survey question that will be played initially, and then the add options. So it says, hi, I'm calling you from Notify Anywhere team. We are running a short survey to see whom do you want to see the next president of United States of America. Let's now enter the first option. So this is our first option. Please press 1 if you like me to be the next president. Now do mention which key to press. Let's add few more options. So let me add one more option here. Now each option has a limit of 100 characters. As I mentioned earlier, do mention which key you would like to be pressed for this particular option. So let's say if your recipient would like to choose this option, what key they should press in order to choose this option. Now the first one is always 1, press key number 1. The second is always key number 2. So you should always say please press 1 if you like, whatever your option is. So always mention 1 as your first option, 2 for your second option. So let's quickly copy this one and let's say, all right, please press 2. Now because this is your second option, so you will mention please press 2. Let's add one more option here. Let's say, now because this is your third option, you will say please press 3 if you like. All right, and then we will add the ending message. So we will add something like, thank you for taking this survey. And we will also add, if somebody by mistake presses maybe 4, 6, 7, 9, something which is not given as the option. However, you can give as many as 9 options. But if you, let's say if you want to give only 2 or 3 options, then you can say invalid choice message. And when somebody presses an option, a key which is not mentioned in your option, it is going to read this message. So once you are done with all the options, and then the question, the options, the ending message, and then the invalid choice, you will press the submit button. Once you press the submit button, it's going to give you a confirmation message that this is a survey phone. Poll once started cannot be stopped. So say yes, you want to start it, and it will say please be patient for a few seconds. Let's see. And then it will show you this message saying that the survey phone poll has been scheduled. Now you will receive an email, a phone. Let's see, I already got the phone.
You from Notify Anywhere team. We are running a short survey to see whom do you want to see next president of the United States of America. Please press 1. If you like me to be the next president, please press 2. If you like Republican candidate to be the next president, please press 3. If you like Democrat candidate to be the next president. Thank you for taking this survey.
So as you have seen, the phone poll call has been made, and I did choose my number, so the phone can come to my number. So you can see, it will go similarly. It will go to all the recipients that you have given the Excel file, and it will go to all the recipients one by one, and then their responses would be captured. Let's go and see if we have got the response here. So here is your question that we have asked, and here you can see that 3 options that we had chosen, and you can see that there's count 1. So somebody pressed count 1 as please, they wanted me to become the next president. So that's how you will do the phone poll survey. Thank you for watching.